What if I told you that there was a scientifically proven way to boost your immunity and protect your health for winter wellness throughout cold and flu season? Well, I'm going to share this simple wellness hack for boosting immunity in this video, so don't go anywhere. Welcome, wellness warriors! Winter is upon us, bringing along not only holiday cheer, but also that chilly air, winter blues, and a little extra dry skin, am I right? But don't worry, because today we're transforming those winter woes into winter wows with the power of essential oils. We'll whip up some amazing DIY blends that are perfect for immune support, stress relief, beating seasonal affective disorder, and much more. So grab your diffuser and let's dive into a winter wellness wonderland. Now, before we jump into the DIYs, let's talk about why essential oils are total winter wellness superheroes. Essential oils, particularly from plants that thrive in harsh climates, can help us with immune support, mood lifting, and soothing sore muscles after a snowball fight, or shoveling snow, whatever your winter cardio looks like. Some favorites for winter include peppermint, eucalyptus, and lavender, but we're also going to include some uncommonly used oils that are equally amazing, like black spruce and ravensara. So get ready to impress your friends with some essential oil knowledge and a touch of DIY magic. Feeling stuffed up from winter colds? Or just need a refreshing morning pick-me-up? This shower steamer bliss recipe will turn your shower into a mini spa and help you breathe easy too. These little steamers dissolve in the water, releasing essential oils that fill the air with congestion-busting power. Ingredients: eucalyptus. Essential oil, 15 drops. Known as the respiratory superstar, eucalyptus helps open up airways and ease congestion. Research shows it can improve airflow and reduce sinus inflammation. Lemon essential oil. 10 drops packed with antioxidants. Lemon oil is a natural mood booster that can help clear your mind and uplift your spirits. Plus, it's known to have antibacterial properties. Lime essential oil, 10 drops. Like lemon, lime oil is a zesty, energizing addition, and studies suggest it can help support the immune system. Rosemary essential oil, 10 drops. Rosemary is more than just a kitchen herb. Its essential oil is shown to stimulate circulation, and it's great for mental clarity and respiratory health. Mix these oils into a base of 1 cup baking soda and half a cup citric acid, then add a tiny bit of water until it forms a thick paste. Pack it into silicone molds and let them dry for 24 hours. Pop one in your shower, and as the hot water hits, you'll feel like you're in a luxurious steam room. To take these steamers up a notch, add a tablespoon of dried lavender or jasmine flowers. Bonus, it's almost like having a spa day, minus the robe and slippers. Next up, a DIY natural hand sanitizer, because let's face it, winter germs are out in full force. This blend combines essential oils with antimicrobial benefits to help keep your hands germ-free without the harsh chemicals in conventional sanitizers. Ingredients: geranium essential oil, 5 drops. Geranium doesn't just smell amazing, it also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Studies suggest it can be effective against a range of pathogens, which is exactly what we need for winter wellness. Helichrysum essential oil, 3 drops, known as Immortelle, for its amazing skin benefits. Helichrysum is also a natural antimicrobial, helping keep your hands clean while moisturizing at the same time. Frankincense essential oil, 5 drops. Frankincense has immune-boosting properties, as studies have shown it can help the body defend against harmful bacteria and support skin healing. Combine these oils with 1 ounce of aloe vera gel and 1 ounce of 70% or higher isopropyl alcohol in a small spray bottle or squeeze bottle. Shake it up and you're ready to go. A little spritz on your hands and voila! Goodbye germs. It's like carrying a natural germ-fighting ninja in your bag. Hey everyone, I could really use your help. This is a tiny channel struggling to survive. Please consider liking this video and subscribing. Consider it your good deed of the day. Also, if you want to see more content like this, check out the link in the description for discounts on a few goodies I've picked out just for you. I'm not going to lie, I need that affiliate money to keep doing this. I appreciate your support. Now back to the show. Now, for the immunity hack I mentioned at the beginning of this video. This is a twist on a tip I picked up by watching Japanese television. If you've watched the show about tiny people completing missions on their own, comment which episode was your favorite. Mine is the one where the little boy was supposed to be making juice for the family and ends up playing with the dog for an hour. That was definitely my brother. Anyway, if you're looking for a simple way to support your immune system and fend off winter colds, this mouth rinse with green tea and copaiba essential oil is a must-try. It's like giving your mouth a protective winter coat. Ingredients: green tea, 1 cup, cooled, rich in catechins and antioxidants. Green tea has shown antiviral and antibacterial properties, and research even suggests it can reduce the risk of respiratory infections. Plus, it freshens breath. Copaiba essential oil, 1 drop. Copaiba is known for its anti-inflammatory and immune-supporting properties. Research indicates it can help calm irritated tissues and even reduce pain and inflammation. Brew a strong cup of green tea and let it cool completely. Add 1 drop of copaiba essential oil, stir well, and use it as a mouth rinse once or twice a day. Swish for 30 seconds to a minute for an extra layer of winter protection. Not only is it refreshing, but your immune system will thank you for the boost. Alright, winter can bring on the sniffles and sore throats, so we're going to create an immune support powerhouse blend. This is like a warm winter hug for your immune system. Ingredients: eucalyptus essential oil, 10 drops. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties, eucalyptus helps clear congestion and fights airborne bacteria. Plus, who doesn't love the fresh, clean smell? Ravintsara essential oil, 5 drops. This uncommonly used oil has potent antiviral properties, making it fantastic for winter. It's a staple in holistic health circles for respiratory support. Lemon essential oil, 8 drops. Lemon oil is packed with antioxidants and is known to stimulate lymphatic drainage and improve circulation. According to research, it's a great immune booster and a natural detoxifier. Pop these oils in your diffuser with a bit of distilled water and let them fill your space with immune-boosting goodness. This blend is also great as a roll-on oil. Just add a carrier oil, like jojoba, and apply it to your pulse points. Speaking of diffusers, I'm going to share the one that changed the game for me. It's the Aroma-Ace Diffuser from Diffuser World. It is a nebulizing diffuser, which means it uses no water. Nothing compares when it comes to scent dispersion and long-lasting aroma. Check the link in the description if you're interested. Winter often brings on seasonal affective disorder or just the winter blues, so our next blend is Stress-Busting Serenity, a little aromatherapy rescue in a bottle. Ingredients: bergamot essential oil, 10 drops. Bergamot is known for its mood-boosting properties. It's been shown in studies to help reduce stress and anxiety, making it a great pick for gloomy winter days. Black spruce essential oil, 8 drops. This oil is less common but fantastic for grounding and mental clarity. Black spruce is known to calm the mind, ease tension and improve focus, ideal for dreary dark days. Lavender essential oil, 7 drops. No surprise here. Lavender's calming properties are backed by countless studies, and it's effective for sleep support and reducing anxious thoughts. Mix these oils in your diffuser for a relaxing blend that feels like a cozy hug, or blend them with a carrier oil and add a few drops to a warm bath. Perfect for unwinding at the end of a chilly day. Cold sore muscles are part of winter for many of us. Enter our Winter Chill Buster blend, which will soothe achy muscles and help warm you up from the inside out. Ingredients: ginger essential oil, 5 drops. With its warming properties, ginger oil is great for improving circulation. Studies even suggest it may reduce muscle pain after intense exercise, or just a day spent shoveling snow. Black pepper essential oil, 5 drops. Yes, black pepper oil. This oil is fantastic for muscle soreness as it improves blood flow and relieves inflammation. Cinnamon bark essential oil, 3 drops. Another warming oil. Cinnamon can ease cold-related aches and has a cozy, comforting scent. Plus, it has antimicrobial properties, making it a perfect addition for winter wellness. Add these to a carrier oil like sweet almond or jojoba and rub it directly onto sore muscles. Alternatively, pop it in a roller bottle and keep it handy in your bag. Now, for those who deal with winter colds, congestion or that annoying dry air, Respiratory Rescue is here to save the day. This blend is designed to open up the airways and make breathing easier. Ingredients: peppermint essential oil, 8 drops. Cooling, refreshing and anti-inflammatory peppermint oil has been shown to ease nasal congestion and improve airflow. Tea tree essential oil, 5 drops. Known for its antiviral properties, tea tree oil is great for fighting airborne pathogens and keeping germs at bay. Fir needle essential oil 7 drops. This woodsy fresh oil is fantastic for respiratory health and helps open up the airways naturally. Add this to a diffuser or humidifier in the room where you're sleeping, or make a chest rub with some coconut oil to help ease congestion and make breathing a little easier. Sometimes winter can feel a little bleak, so our last blend is here to help bring a touch of sunshine indoors and lift your spirits. Meet sunshine in a bottle. Ingredients: sweet orange essential oil, 10 drops. Bright and cheerful, orange oil has been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. It's like capturing a bit of summer sun in a bottle. Clary sage essential oil, 5 drops. Clary sage is great for balancing mood and reducing stress, with studies showing it may help alleviate depression and anxiety. Ylang ylang essential oil, 5 drops. This floral oil is deeply calming and has been used traditionally to combat feelings of sadness. Plus, it gives this blend a lush, luxurious scent. Diffuse this blend for an instant mood boost on those grey, cloudy days. It's also lovely as a room spray or added to a few drops of carrier oil for a soothing massage. There you have it! 8 amazing, effective DIY essential oil blends to make your winter wellness journey a breeze. Whether you're looking for immune support, stress relief, or just a little bit of sunshine, these blends have you covered. Remember, winter wellness is all about finding what works best for you and creating a cozy environment that supports your mind and body. If you loved these recipes, drop a comment below with your favorite blend, or tell me if there's a combo you're excited to try. So grab those oils, get blending, and let's make this winter your best, healthiest season yet. Now that you've learned the basics of winter wellness using essential oils, take it to the next level by checking out this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for more wellness tips, and share this video with your fellow winter warriors. Here's to a cozy, happy, and healthy winter. Thanks so much for watching to the end. I really appreciate it. See you next time.